So you're looking for one of the most versatile boats on the market. That's why you're looking at the Saxdor 340 GTWA, Saxdor's newest model. This model blends both elements from the GTO and the GTC. That way you still have that center console ability to walk around both sides, but also still have an enclosed pilot house so you can extend your seasons. On this 340 GTWA, we have the twin Mercury 300 V8 Verados on the back, giving you reliable, efficient, and a lot of power. When you make your way into the cockpit here, you can see that we have this teak. It's not teak, it's called Flexi Teak. It's a synthetic, it's super low maintenance, which means more time out on the water for you and your family. We also have this awesome aft sun lounger, outfitted with cup holders on both sides, but underneath this, you have your aft cabin, which we'll show you a little bit later. You have this nice aft glass wall that closes up so that if you do have children or if you have animals on board, it's stopping them from going back towards the engines and possibly falling into the water. On both quarters here, we have these boxes. On your starboard box, it is just for storage, so it will fit your standard fenders. You can put lines in there as well, and it does drain. On your port quarter here, we have our summer kitchen. We have a built-in fiberglass sink, as well as an electric Kenyan grill. Just below that, we have access to all of these features as well. So it's nice and easy if you need to flip a breaker or replace a fuse. You make your way into the pilot house of the Saxdor 340 GTWA, and you see why the versatility is so important. We have this back glass wall, so if you did want to open up this boat and make it feel like a day boat, make it feel airy, it's no problem. We have two buttons right here, and this entire aft glass wall goes away. So now you're open. You can also do that with the array of door configurations. So I have the forward part of this door open right now. It's usually good for the captain if he's trying to move around a little bit more and have that flexibility. But if you close that, you can now open the back half. That way your guests can move around a little bit easier. This goes for both port and starboard, so you have access to the pilot house from both sides. I also want to point out some of the comfort features. This is your table. The table also has buttons so it can lower and raise. You also have the aft sofa, bench seat, so you can fit 3 or even 4 people. And then just under this cushion is your access to your aft cabin. The aft cabin is heated, it is air conditioned as well, so you can get perfectly comfortable back there, even if you are a little claustrophobic. We do the same with the Helm chair here. So the Helm chair is able to face backwards so that you can join your guests in a meal. And then when you're ready to go back to driving, flip it right over and you're good to go. When you get to the helm of the Saxdor 340 GTWA, it is very comfortable. The seating position is nice. It's also nice that you do have a button on the helm chair as well to bring you forward and backwards, so you can really dial in your seating position so you're comfortable. I love the binnacle location here. It's easily within reach and you don't have to lean forward every time you need to change something. Your Simrad VHF is in a great spot as well, just on your right knee. The steering wheel is also on a tilt, so you can dial that in as well. We have our JL stereo knob there, so you can control the volume at any given time. And I also love the positioning of the Mercury joystick on this one, especially when you have this front slider open here. You can actually stand outside on the gunnel and still be in reach of your joystick, giving you super high amount of maneuverability. We also have the joystick on this boat as well, which really just gives you that independent movement of the bow, because that's the first thing that the wind or the current will take. We also have the zip wake auto trim system on this, so you don't even have to worry about trimming at all. We have auto trim for the outboards on the binnacles, and we have the auto trim tabs. So push the throttles, steer the wheel, and that's all you need to do. We still have all of our tactile buttons up on the dash as well. And then these Simrad NSX hybrid touch displays are awesome. You can use it as a touchscreen, or if it gets rough and it's really hard to use the touchscreen, you have tactile buttons and knobs that you can use as well. Here we have a nice spot. The little cubby here is inverted so that your phone isn't going to accidentally fall out. It is also padded. You have a wireless charger and you have USBs in there as well, making it super convenient. As you make your way into the cabin for the Saxdor 340 GTWA, you have a nice little chair there so you can get ready for the day. You also have your V berth up there as well. The V berth is very long on this, so it's almost 6.5 feet deep. We also have air conditioning and heating in the cabin. You also have your head with a basin sink. As an operator of the boat, you're always wondering about docking. Cleat positioning and cleat accessibility is super important, which is why when you have this front glass door open, the captain is only 4 or 5 feet away from your midship cleat at all times, so you can throw that spring line out and get the boat tied up right to the dock. Let's go up to the bow. As you can see, we have very high gunnels with great position handrails all the way up as well. This is one of the most popular spots on the GTWA. Right now, we have the filler cushion in and the table down. So you have one big day bed. If you just pull this up and press a button, we can bring this table up so people can hang out and dine up here. I like how Saxdor also builds in cup holders to their cushions as well, and they are draining, which is great. Thank you for walking through the Saxdor 340 GTWA with me today. My name is Devin. I am here at MarineMax in Norwalk, Connecticut, 130 Water Street. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give us a call, or if you want to come and put your hands on it, come on down. We'd love to see you. We look forward to seeing you out on the water.